Hey guys, Elise here, Global Pro Artist for Too Faced, and I'm gonna show you how to get the biggest, sexiest lashes the Too Faced way using Better Than Sex mascara. One of my favorite tricks is to apply mascara to my bottom lashes first. That way when I'm looking up, I don't get any wet mascara on my lid. Depending on how dramatic I wanna go, sometimes I'll go back in and just tip the ends, and it gives it a little bit of a stiletto effect. Next, I'm gonna start at the very base of the lash and I'm gonna wiggle it and roll it up. And that's what's gonna give me that intense volume. Starting at the base of your lashes really gives your curl a solid foundation, kind of like a good push-up bra. The peptides in this mascara make it the deepest, darkest black. The last step is just bump the lashes back. This is what's gonna give you a little bit more length and lock in the curl. Sometimes people ask me if my lashes are fake, and I'm like, thank you! No, it's Better Than Sex, girl, you gotta get you some. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope your mascara is always better than sex.